So 2021 garden is started, and I hope you guys are starting to put your stuff in the ground too. Alright guys, I just got done planting my first for the spring planting of 2021. I think these are strawberries. And we got some Brussels sprouts. We planted some Brussels sprouts, some broccoli, and some cabbage. And I just love how these wicking tubs, they're so easy to maintain. Very easy to maintain. Like for instance, they got a little bit of weeds here. I can turn that up, pull it out, gone. It's pretty easy. And you don't have to, I mean, I can move these around. I'm going to be tearing this garden down, and we're going to have to move these tubs to our new location. That's one good thing about these tubs. You don't lose your soil, and you can take it with you. All that hard work and money that you put in the ground, well, you got to leave that there. This I get to take with me. But just look how this turned up so pretty. So you can see the difference. It's been out here since the fall, haven't touched it. That was brand new, never been planted. And so I've got a few of those. I've got some more compost over there that needs to be put into some wicking tubs. I've got plenty of stuff to do that, just haven't got out here to do it. I've got my thornless blackberry. I need to weed it, but overall it's been growing. And some blueberries. I don't know if this one's gonna make it. This one here is a little root system off of this one. I just transplanted to see if it would take. Have some old cabbage over there. It's done, obviously. Some green onions. I'm wondering if I could take those. I did get a bunch of I did get a brand new thing of green onions. I'm thinking I'm probably just gonna put them in the ground. I don't know for sure, but I wanted to get these in the ground because we're about to have some rain come in. This is what she was able to get just the other day. I've got some radish seeds in there that I need to get out here too. But that's just a quick update on this right here. All right, so this is gonna be day 2 of planting more stuff in my self-wicking tubs. And we've got some more sweet bananas, tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, just different things here that we're actually going to plant in these buckets because we need to move our garden. I wanted to show y'all how easy this was. So this one here had cabbages in it, and I've already pulled them out and knocked the dirt off of it. Kind of fluffed the soil on it. It was very simple. It took me 2 minutes. So I've got 4 tubs ready, and I've got more that I can build. I'm probably going to get that done this weekend. So you can see that it's got leaves and just debris and pine straw in here. I'm literally just raking this off on top, and I'll leave some of it in. I really don't care, to be honest with you. But look, you just put your hand in here and turn it over. And that soil is ready. It's damp, so I'm ready to plant in this one right here. If you need to, you can add more topsoil to it, your amendments, and just do it by hand. Very easy to use. All right, so I've got some banana peppers and one green bell pepper in one tub. I need to make some more tubs. Got 2 different tomatoes in this one tub. This is something I'm just trying to see if it'll work. We're gonna put a cage on it, that way we can move it because we'll be moving soon. And then a cucumber in a tub, so it's gonna be different. We're gonna try to train it and everything to go up. And then I may have crowded that bucket over there, but I'm gonna try 6, I think it was 6 Swiss chard in there, and see if I can get it to grow. And then I need to make some more buckets up this weekend. So these are gonna stay in this for a few more days, and then we're gonna see if it works. One thing I'm liking about these tubs, or besides they're self-wicking, is you can move them around and it's easy to amend the soil. They're not like these raised beds here. We put a lot of money in this topsoil that's going to be here, and we're just going to have to leave it unless I scooped it up and take it with me, but that's too much hassle, even though it's just on the other side of our property. Now, some of you might be out there saying, oh, you can't do all that and all this. I really don't know if I can or if I can't do. Crowd them in these tubs, plant different varieties in the same tub, things of that nature. But I'm going to find out, and you'll be able to see the results, whether it works or it doesn't work. But I've got to get some fertilizer, some liquid fertilizer, minerals, and lime ordered, and get it over here so I can start feeding these plants, getting them going real good. But it won't be long. We'll have our own little bit of garden starting up and starting to get some fresh produce here at our place. This is my second year using Self Wicking tubs, and last year I was very happy with them. They did do what we asked them to do, and we're going to continue building them up and having multiple Self Wicking tubs. And we'll probably still do some raised beds once we get back where we're going. I do like the idea of having raised beds for cantaloupe, watermelon, cucumbers, and stuff of that nature. Maybe even buy a greenhouse or a high tunnel one day. So 2021 garden is started, and I hope you guys are starting to put your stuff in the ground too. It won't be long. We'll be producing our own vegetables. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it might be a little short video, might not have all the information you were looking for, but at least you can watch me, whether I fail on this experiment or whether it works. If anything, I'm gonna have some fresh vegetables very soon. So all right guys, that's gonna be it. It's getting dark. I need to get cleaned up, get all this watered in, and the animals have already been fed. But anyways, y'all hit the subscribe button, share it with all your friends, and come back and we'll see you on the next video.